In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI-generated emails in MailChimp. To get started, open your MailChimp account and head into the email campaign you want to update. This should be an email you've already created or one you're currently working on. Once you're inside the email editor, the goal is to locate the text section where you want AI to help you write or improve the content. Next, click on the email you want to update, and then click directly on the text area. As soon as you select that text block, you should see the editing options appear. This is where MailChimp gives you tools to adjust and rewrite your content. Look carefully through the options, because the feature you need is called Write with AI. Now, depending on your MailChimp plan, this option may appear in a slightly different place. If it's available in your account, you'll usually see it near the top of the editing panel, above the Move Block option. In some accounts, it may not be visible if that feature isn't included in the current subscription plan. So if you don't see it right away, that may simply be the reason. But if it is available, click Write with AI to continue. Once you open that feature, you'll be able to set the tone of your text. This is an important part of the process because the tone helps shape how the email sounds to your audience. For example, you may want the message to sound professional, friendly, confident, or promotional, depending on the purpose of the email. Choose the tone that best matches the kind of message you want to send and the audience you're speaking to. After that, simply confirm your selection and let MailChimp generate the content for you. The AI will create several versions of the text based on the tone and the section you selected. This gives you a few options instead of just one, which is helpful if you want to compare styles and pick the version that feels the most natural and effective. Finally, review the generated content and simply select the version you prefer. Take a moment to read through each option carefully so you can choose the one that best matches your brand voice and the purpose of your email. And that's it. Once you've chosen your preferred version, your AI-generated email text is ready to use in MailChimp.